Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Let's play Najdorf. Can I do this? E5 Bishop B7, I hope this works. B4 could be interesting. Knight D7 to C5, maybe castle, and then is B4 possible here? Is he gonna sack? He might sack. I don't know now, 95. Okay, here we go.
Check.
There's Queen H5 on the cards. H5 to stop that.
Check.
Okay. That's King G8. It's getting scary. Well, I've got a Knight E5 that will help. There's a few defensive issues here, to say the least. Trying to survive this. Should I survive this? Yeah. Knight E6. He's on the rook now. He's got other stuff. He's got Queen D5. Let's take on H3 here. Bishop G4 F7 takes. I'm getting killed there.
Check.
I got
Check.
E6 covered for a moment. Oh no. It doesn't look too clever to play that. Yeah, I guess I'm in big trouble, huh? Queen here. Yeah. I suppose that's mating. Wow. Yep. Looks pretty bad because it takes the knight f5 is winning.
Check.
Can I? I can't do anything about that. That was brutal. Oh well. Let's have a quick look. So was that sound? That p-sac? E5 here is also. This isn't too hot, is it? Alright, did I play dicey wine then? F takes. If I play this, I give him the d5. It's better than the game. My king's a bit safer. So my king's
Check.
technically in
Check.
big trouble. G7. Yeah, that's a good move as well. Bishop H3 is mentioned as well. Or Rhg1. Hang on, E5. That's mentioned as well.
Check. Check.
Yeah, it's all pretty crushing. Oh well, getting murdered here. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Weird one. I got smashed. Thanks so much.